or 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kansas: Finney, Grant, Hamilton, Haskell, Kearney, Morton, Seward, Stanton, and
Tornado
Stevens.
watch.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
I was
and
waiting for
listen
the
for
alert.
later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 134 has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Friday, or 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas: Finney, Grant, Hamilton, Haskell, Kearney, Morton, Seward, Stanton, and Stevens. Here is the forecast.